Loops here, and then this guy's gonna cross over. And that's totally not how to make the bow. So, okay, we're gonna do this again. So inside, let me do a little clap here because I don't know what's going on. Okay. It doesn't look as bright.
Good.
It's good. Oh, okay. So thank you so much for joining us. Ribbon, because it's gonna make you unhappy once it's all done. And then once it's glued, you don't have the chance to kind of pretty it up. So I'm gonna give it a little iron. I love this. My iron completely stopped working, so of course it did. Of course I lost the tape again. Oh my God, 20 minutes to film the tape being put on the oasis. Here you go. See. Oop, I'm gonna overflow in a minute. Hold on, too much water, of course. Longer, and I guess let's dive right in. You want to say let's dive right in?
Let's dive right in.